of New Wave Wellness Center, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a very popular thing called collagen. Now if you've been to the grocery stores or any of these health food stores recently, you may have noticed something called collagen or collagen protein that's being sold out there. So what exactly is collagen? Do you need it? And maybe should you supplement? Let's talk about that in this video. So I'm going to talk about the 5 benefits of using collagen. Now this collagen is a protein. Our body is about 30% collagen. From your hair, your skin, your cartilage, your tendons, your discs, everything is made up of collagen. Now this collagen is made in your body. There are certain things that are required to make this in your body. And as we age, again, we all notice, we know about that whole saggy skin, the wrinkles and things like that, and your cartilages and things wearing down. That's because the collagen levels in your body starts going down. Now, when that starts going down, apart from the saggy skin and all that, you end up with all sorts of other things. There's joint pain, things that way. So I'll show you the 5 benefits of actually incorporating collagen into your diet, or just as a supplement routine for collagen. It comes as a tasteless powder nowadays. So we'll talk about the sources and how you can, or what kind of stuff to buy. But let me talk to you about the 5 benefits of collagen first and show you exactly what it could be good for. So the first thing, we all know, right? Collagen is found in your skin, your hair, and your nails, things like that. So it'll help benefit that. If you've noticed that your skin is becoming a little saggy, you're noticing some wrinkles or something forming. The other big thing is cellulite. I've had a lot of women that complain about the whole cellulite issues. Cellulite is, again, caused by your decrease of collagen in your body. Collagen is, again, under layers of your skin. So when that becomes thinner, the fat cells that are sitting around under your skin kind of start coming through that, and that's what creates that whole cellulite effect. So again, if you take a little more collagen, it's going to help take care of cellulite. You could rub all those lotions and potions all over your skin, but a lot of those don't exactly work as well as the inside out deal. So try that. It's also wonderful for that. Now I'll talk about the different kind of collagens that they are, because again, for your hair, skin and nail, there's type 1 and type 3 collagen that actually works better for this kind of problems. Second thing is helps with digestion. Now I've talked about leaky gut for many times. Digestion and all this kind of things, with what we're eating, our gut is kind of taking a lot of beating. So collagen actually helps heal the gut. There's also collagen in your whole intestinal linings. So when you actually ingest collagen, it helps reform some of that. So it helps with healing of your leaky gut. Now again, once more, there's the type 1 and type 2 or type 3 collagen that actually helps with all this healing of the gut deal. Now, joint pain. As we age, again, a lot of people know that your joints start hurting. What happens when somebody ages? Well, they don't exactly complain about muscles hurting. Yes, muscles can get a little sore and stuff, but a lot of times it's the elbow, it's the shoulder, it's things like that that starts hurting. Well, what is happening is your collagen actually makes up your cartilage and your tendons. The tendons, the ligaments, all these things are made out of collagen. So again, as we age, those things thin out, and what happens? Then you start kind of ending up with a lot of compression and pain and all those kind of things going on. Now again, tendons and cartilage, what happens is with our diets nowadays, we're ingesting a lot of like animal proteins. Now animal protein is wonderful for your muscles. Well, you need collagen protein to help your tendons and ligaments and all that, because that's one of the big reasons why you notice how a lot of people are having with rotator cuff tears, or they're having ACL repairs and all those. Those are all tendons and ligaments that are having issues. So if you take a little more of that collagen, it helps strengthen those, and you don't end up with having any of those problems. And now for that one, you need something called a type 2 collagen. I'll show you the sources of all of this in just a little bit. Now, something that's very little known about collagen is its liver support abilities. Collagen contains an amino acid called glycine. Glycine is amazing stuff because it not only helps support the liver, it only helps kind of almost like a detox for the liver, but it also helps in the production of bile. Bile is what helps you break down fats. So for a lot of people that are using those new keto diets, right? On keto diets, you're ingesting a lot of fats. Now, if you're not have enough of what we call glycine, or if you're not making enough bile, well, that fat is just going to sit around and cause all sorts of other issues. So for people that are on a low fat, or a high fat or a low carbohydrate kind of diet, you need to be taking in some form of collagen or just something with glycine in it to help kind of support the liver, so it helps produce in the production of bile to break down those fats. So that's one big thing. And again, bone health. Yes, we know it's calcium, magnesium, your vitamin D, and all those kind of things are wonderful for bones. But did you know that 1/3 of your bone itself is collagen? There's minerals and there's all the calcium and all that in it, but 1/3 of a bone is collagen. So if you're not supporting that with enough collagen, well, you have osteoporosis and brittle bone issues. So definitely, these are just 5 of the benefits of collagen. There's much more. It goes on to things like help you with weight loss and things like, brain function, all those kind of deals. So collagen is amazing for a lot of different things. Now, what kind of collagen? Yes, you see all sorts out there, right? Collagen, or what we talk about is collagen protein, is usually derived from an animal source. So either your chicken, beef, fish, things like that. Now, this is the thing, because they're taking, how you talk about this gelatin, when you boil down the bone broth deal. We've heard about bone broth as well now, because what is bone broth? Bone broth gives you a lot of collagen, gelatin, all those kind of things. It's a matter of just boiling bones for hours and hours until you get that. Well, nowadays they've made it easier for you because they've got the powders. So you can go out there and buy what we call a hydrolyzed collagen. Hydrolyzed collagen is something that's just a little bit more readily absorbed by the body. So those collagens, now each one of these sources gives you a different kind of collagen, which is required for different things. As I mentioned about the type 1, type 3 and all these kind of things that I was showing you, chicken collagen will give you things that are wonderful for your hair, type 1 and type 3 deal. Beef has a lot of the type 2 collagen in it. Now, so chicken and fish collagens are a little bit more better because they're overall supporting you in a lot of different things. So again, I'm not saying the beef collagen is not, but again, try something which maybe has a combination of all 3 of these. So always read the label. It's bovine, which is beef, is bovine source, with chicken or turkey or even a fish source of collagen will give you the different kind of collagens we talked about, the different types of collagen that are required. So that's one thing. Now, another thing to remember is vitamin C is required by your body to absorb this collagen. So again, if you've ever taken one of those, glucosamine capsules and things like that, they always have a little bit of vitamin C in it because that helps your collagen or your cartilage to get absorbed and build some of that. So you want to make sure you're getting enough vitamin C. Without vitamin C, you're not absorbing as much of these things again. Now, this we just talked about, all these are animal sources. Now, what about somebody that's vegetarian or vegan? Of course, you're not going to be sucking down, any of these sources. So the biggest thing is collagen contains 3 main amino acids, which are called essential amino acids. These are things your body does not produce on its own. You have to get them from an external source. And that is glycine, lysine, and proline. These 3 amino acids, now if you can take them on their own, so somebody that's vegetarian or vegan does not have to resort to that. You can either take one of the 3 of these things on their own, or there has been some new vegan collagen that's come out. It's in capsule form, which is derived from bacteria and sea algae. So they're making these things in the lab, but it actually helps provide your body the right things to make the collagen. So again, because in this other source you're ingesting the collagen, yes, it's being absorbed, but sometimes it's a matter of giving the body the right things to help make it. Because again, the body heals itself. The body kind of makes things on its own as well too. So you give it the right environment, it's going to do what it needs to do. So I hope this information has helped you. And if you know anybody that's, we're looking for some of that information and wondering why if they should be taking collagen, please share this information with them. And if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. And I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.